Hey folks, welcome back to you on your channel, JEE Physics Maniac. Here we are back again, once again with an amazing question for the preparatory series for JEE Advanced 2026. Now this question is going to be a little bit lengthy. There will be a lot of clumsy mathematics and plenty of new discussions is going to come. So have patience, and without wasting much time, let's start. So here in this question, you can see that there are two vertical tubes. It is being mentioned that they are having cross-section alpha, equal cross-section, joined by another horizontal one with narrow bases, length L and internal radius is R. It's given as 2A, so let's take it as A only, small a. Initially the liquid surface at the two vessels are given to be at height 3h, and this is on h from the reference level. This is the datum level I'm considering, and they are saying that calculate the time taken for the difference in level to become h. What are the given things? If eta is the coefficient of viscosity and rho is the density of the liquid, so that means this is a viscous liquid. The flow is assumed to be very slow. It has great significance. I will discuss in the due course of the game why it is having great significance. So first of all, they are saying that the difference in level of the two will come to what? It becomes h. I have to calculate that time. So I can think in this way that if this particular layer comes down by y, then this will also move up by distance y. So then in that case, I can write that on the left side, the level will become 3h minus y. On the right side, the level will become y plus h. The difference in the two level, how much it has to become? H. So for that, I'll do a simple calculation. 3h minus h becoming, it is becoming 2h. Minus y 2y is equal to h. So definitely 2y is equal to 2h minus h, that is h. So how much y? Y is equal to, it is coming h by 2. Fine. I will use this data later. So now I will do the calculation. What the calculation? See here, if you think about this horizontal segment, try to think on this horizontal segment, there will be a flow of liquid through this horizontal segment. In what way I can assume this? So let us say if on the left vertical tube at some distance x, let us say this is some distance x, and the liquid layer is down by another distance dx. So that means what is the volume of liquid passing through? D capital V will become alpha into dx. Area into length. What is the cross-sectional area they have said? Alpha. Decreased by amount dx. So volume of the liquid that is getting emptied from here is alpha into dx. And the same volume of liquid is passing over here. In what time? In time dt. So we know that flow rate is equal to how much? Flow rate is equal to d capital V dt. That is the flow rate. How much flow rate? What is the equation of the flow rate? Flow rate equation we get pi delta P at to the power 4 by 8 eta L. So that is the Poisson's equation from where we get this. So d capital V will come pi delta P at to the power 4 by 8 eta L into dt. I'll substitute the result here. So alpha dx must be equal to pi delta P. Here small r means I'm taking small a. So a to the power 4 by 8 eta L, that into dt. Right? So this dv and this dv, they are equal. From there, I am getting this equation, that is alpha dx equal to this one. Please think, when I talk about that the layer is down by x, so the layer here on the right side is also getting lifted by x. So if I think about the difference in the liquid layers of the two column, then I can write 3h minus x on the left side, h plus x on the right side, minus, this is coming how much? 2 into h minus x. Since the difference in height is 2 into h minus x, so the pressure difference can easily be written as rho g 2 into h minus x. I am going to use this data over here. So now this equation will become alpha dx is equal to, how much you are getting? Alpha dx is equal to pi. Delta p is how much? Rho g 2 into h minus x into a to the power 4 divided by a. If you see the value of dt over here, I can replace the dt. So dt will be equal to how much? It will become 8 eta into L into alpha divided by 2 pi rho into g a to the power 4, and it will become how much? It will become dx by h minus x. So now this 2 is cancelled 4. So how much dt is becoming here? Dt is equal to 4 eta L into alpha divided by pi a to the power 4 rho into g dx by h minus x. Integration 0 to t. This integration will become 0 to how much? 0 to h by 2. So this is going to become 0 to h by 2. So on the left hand side dt. Now look at this. This is the standard form of integration. We know, everyone. Integration of dx by a minus bx, that is equal to minus 1 by b log of a minus bx. So if I do this, it is becoming 4 eta L alpha by pi a to the power rho into g, that into minus of log of h minus x 0 to h by 2. Now what I will do now, I will absorb this minus sign and flip this limit over here. So it is becoming 4 eta L alpha by pi e to the power rho 4 rho g, by absorbing the minus sign with the limit log of h minus x, it will become h by 2 to 0. Now follow this 4 eta L alpha by pi a to the power rho g. If I put, so it will become log h minus h by 2 is equal to log of h by 2. Log a minus log b is equal to log of a by b. So t is becoming 4 eta L alpha by pi a to the power 4 rho g log of h by 2. H gets cancelled. Now here I got the final result, which is equal to 4 eta L alpha by pi a to the power 4 rho g log of 2. That's the final answer to the question. Now point is, this question can come in a single option correct format. It can come as an integer question also. So I hope you have enjoyed. You have learned new trick how to solve this question. You have learned the mathematics how to tackle the question, and this basic understanding about application of the Poiseuille's equations. If you like the content, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I hope that after getting the complete understanding, you will build a question around this so that your preparation for the JEE Advanced 2026 gets completed. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.